Welcome to the IT Source YouTube channel. Please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. Today in the video, I will show how to download and install the Linux Ubuntu 24.04 operating system on a virtual machine in Proxmox. Open the browser and go to the hypervisor. Open the tab for the server where we will create the virtual machine. First, we need to download the Ubuntu image. Go to the local disk, then ISO images. Now, visit the official website and find the link to the image. Click Download and copy the link, then select Download Now. The download started automatically, but we cancel it. Go back to our Proxmox, click Download from URL. Paste the copied link and click Query URL. As we can see, the file is recognized, then download it. The ISO image has been downloaded. Click Create VM to create the virtual machine. Enter the name of the virtual machine. Click Next. Select the downloaded ISO image. Click Next. If needed, adjust the disk size. Click Next. Choose the number of CPU cores for the virtual machine. Enter the amount of RAM in megabytes that will be available for the VM. Review the settings, and if everything is correct, click Finish. The virtual machine has been created. Open the console and click Start Now. Press Enter. Select the language for Ubuntu and press Enter. As we can see, I received an IP address automatically, but in my case, I will set a static IP address. I will use Google's DNS servers. Here I got a warning that all data on the disk will be formatted. We agree to this, since our virtual disk is already empty. In the username field, I enter its source, and for the server name, I enter OVPN. We create a password for this user. If you need SSH access to the server, mark the Install Open SSH server line by pressing the spacebar. With the settings completed, the operating system installation is now in progress. The operating system has been installed. Now we are rebooting the server. After the reboot, we encountered a CD drive error, so we need to disconnect it. Go to the Hardware tab, open CD/DVD drive and disable the CD/DVD drive. Go to the console and press Ctrl+C. The system has successfully booted. Now, log in with your username and password and check the internet connection using the ping command. Internet access is working, which means everything is configured correctly. Thank you for watching. Support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. Good luck.